Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the studio. Today we're going to be showing you how to bypass the requirement in Windows 11 for a Microsoft account. Now, any of you that have gone through the Windows 11 setup recently may have noticed that there's no way to create a local account anymore. You're only given the option to sign in with a Microsoft account. And if you aren't connected to a network, it wants you to connect to a network before you can even continue setup. Well, today I'm going to show you how to get around that, how to create a local account so that you can eliminate any privacy concerns surrounding a Microsoft account. But first, my name is Ken and I make videos about helping you get the most out of your technology every day. If that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and click the like button. And after you hit the like button, click on subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified anytime we add new content. Let's get into it.
Okay, everyone, so here we are setting up our Windows 11 machine, and we're at that point in the setup where it wants us to sign in with a Microsoft account. And some of you may not want to use a Microsoft account. And what I'm going to show you today is how to sign in with a local account. Now, Microsoft really doesn't want you to do this, and you do give up quite a few benefits. I'll put a link down in the video description explaining what you get and what you don't get when you sign in with a local account or a Microsoft account. But for right here, Microsoft is not giving us the option. They don't want us to sign in with a local account anymore. But there is a workaround. So what we're going to do is on our keyboard, we're going to hold down the Shift key and we're going to hit F10, the F10 key. That's going to give us our command prompt. Now, in our command prompt here, we're going to type in this command, start space ms-cxh local only, all one word. We're going to type that in, and then we're going to hit the enter key. Now, when we do this, we get the prompt here, and it allows us to create a local account on the machine. So it's asking me who's going to use this PC. I'm just going to say Ken, and I'm not going to enter a password. Just going to have it automatically log this in. Now, obviously, if you're setting up an account, you're going to want to have a password on it. That's just good security. But as you can see, we just bypassed the requirement for a Microsoft account when setting up our Windows 11 machine. Now, this video is being done on Windows 11 25H2. Future versions may disable this functionality. Hopefully they don't. I think Microsoft should still give folks the option for a local account. But just keep in mind it could be removed in the future.
Okay, everyone, question. What do you think about Microsoft's requiring you to have a Microsoft account when you set up Windows 11? Did you bypass it? Do you use a Microsoft account? I'm guessing most of you probably don't. Let us know down in the comments section what you think. We always love to hear from you down there. Folks, remember to hit that like button. It helps others find us a little bit easier on YouTube. Click on subscribe, and when you do that, hit that bell so you get notified anytime we add new content. Thank you guys so much for watching.